guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the mini course for travelers to Spain. Today we are going to discuss part 2, which is directions for local transport. I hope you've already seen the part 1, which is useful phrases for people who are traveling by air. And if you've not been able to see it yet, then I will link above the video and you can surely go and check it out for yourself. And also I would like to say that if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so, because I've noticed that most of you are watching my videos yet you are not liking them, but you've not yet subscribed to my channel. So kindly do consider subscribing. To subscribe, you only have to hit the subscribe button, which is for free of course, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a video. So without making any further delay, let's quickly catch up on the directions for local transport in Spanish. So before we start making any sentence or phrases, let's quickly see the basic words that will be very useful for us in order to ask for guidance, and if somebody is giving us guidance to understand what are they actually referring to. So let's start. Cerca de, which means close to. Lejos de means far away from. Derecha, right. Izquierda, left. Recto, straight. Rotonda, roundabout. Hospital, hospital. Farmacia, pharmacy. Hotel, hotel. Restaurante, restaurant. Cafetería, coffee shop. Centro comercial, mall, shopping mall. Parada de taxis, taxi stand. Parada de autobús, bus stand. Metro, metro. Tren, train. So now, say for example, you are lost and you're trying to find back your way to, for example, your hotel. So some basic question structures which will be very useful for you to learn is ¿Cómo podría llegar? Which means how do I reach? Now you could use this sentence for any place of course, which is ¿Cómo podría llegar al hotel? Or ¿Cómo podría llegar al aeropuerto? Second useful question would be ¿Cuánto cuesta esto? Which means how much does it cost? Third useful question would be ¿Dónde está? Which means where is? Some really useful phrases would be good for you to note down or try to remember, but I would happily suggest that you note them down, are the following. Start with the example number 1, which was ¿Cómo podría llegar? So, ¿Cómo podría llegar al hotel? ¿Cómo podría llegar al centro comercial? ¿Cómo podría llegar al aeropuerto? Example number 2 would be ¿Cuánto cuesta esto? So that is a very basic way of asking how much does it cost. But if you actually wanted to ask, for example, how much does this toy cost, you would say ¿Cuánto cuesta este juguete? Means this toy. ¿Cuánto cuesta este juguete? Or ¿Cuánto cuesta la cerveza? How much does the beer cost? Example number 3, which was ¿Dónde está? You could ask ¿Dónde está la parada de tren? Or you could also ask ¿Dónde está el parque? Or ¿Dónde está la cafetería? And you could use ¿Dónde está? Not only for places, but you can also ask for a person. If you're looking for somebody in specific, like if you're looking for a doctor, you could ask ¿Dónde está el médico? We've reached to the end of our video for today. Guys, please do let me know how did you find this video, whether it was useful for you or not. Please do comment and ask me any further questions. Please give this video a very big thumbs up. Do press the like icon, and as I said, most of you who are watching my videos have not yet subscribed to the channel, so please do consider subscribing, and do not forget the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a video. And I shall see you very soon in my next video, which will be the part 3 of the travel series for the channel. So see you soon. Bye bye, take care, ciao.